Hello. Is being here now a good business? To my opinion, it doesn't. Doesn't make sense. What do we say when we want to be here now, to practice here and now? We're actually saying that we are trading the current experiences that are happening in this moment with all the years of past experiences, all the memories, happy, sad, exciting, funny, everything that made us who we are, right? And we say that we are giving up all the sensations and feelings that come from the future, what we plan, what we worry about. So being in the past and future basically gives us so much experiences, so many feelings. And we enjoy all of them in one way or another, the good and the bad, the happy and the sad. So now we come and here and now. Really? You willing to trade? Think about it. Think about your most happy moment in your past. Think about the most exciting plans for your future. Thinking about it? How it feels? Amazing, right? Good. Now trade those feelings with what you're feeling now, not just emotionally. The touch of your shirt on your skin, the feeling of the air in the nose. Doesn't compare much, right? We are trained, we are educated, we are programmed from childhood to give up the current experience and sensations and trade them with the future experience and sensations. That's how we get to an idea, no pain, no gain. Means now pain, now you're young, you're supposed to work hard, to suffer, to work many hours for the pleasant and the carrot, the uh, future pleasure experiences, what you're going to get out of all your hard work today. Which means that right now, what I'm experiencing, it's not only that it's not enough comparison to what I experienced in the past or future, I don't want really to be there. This pain is, I suffer now. So here and now becomes very little thing that I want to experience. And past and future, wow, that's a lot. So now comes the ridiculous idea, be here and now. Funny, right? So, what do? We cultivate the ability, that's where the practice of yoga, tantra, Taoism, Tai Chi comes, because we need to practice. We need to learn to be aware, to relax the eyes, the mouth, the breath, to soften the body, to be softer, to be softer, to be softer, to recognize unconscious tension and release it, to be softer. As we become softer and pay attention to sensations in the body, you start to experience more in the present moment. The softer you are, the more you pay attention to sensations, you start to a little bit tilt the scale of experiencing past sensations and feelings and from the memory and future that is currently like that. And now you start to feel. That's why yoga come and say it's not about putting the body in a certain position. It's about feeling. Effortless effort, be comfortable, be peaceful. So now you start to pay attention to the sensation. So now there are more sensation, more subtle sensation, more deep sensation. Now you go and become softer, you start to touch the centers of energy, the place of feelings and emotion, deeper sensation, right here. And that start to balance the scale. As you continue with that, because that is a practice, the scale start to tilt. Which means if you come to me today and say, choose any sensation, future or past, and switch it with what I feel right now, even this shirt here, this sensation here, even this, everything, not trading it, not even thinking about it. There is no price, no carrot, no temptation for past and future that is more valuable than the current experiences. Then your reality, your experience is more valuable than anything that can be offered to you. Another obstacle. You go to feel your body now. Go and feel your pelvic floor muscles. Comes all the information from the mind, all this social information about good and bad and right or wrong and good feeling and bad feeling and wow, exhausting. So you go and feel the heart. You go feel a nice feeling. You're not supposed to feel that. That's not the right feeling. What you practice, again, relax. So the effect of this mental activity and thought over the feeling will calm down physically, right? You can have a certain feeling and think about it and feel another feeling we call shame. This feeling of shame that comes from the thought about the feeling that you're having doesn't allow you to enjoy the feeling that you have now. And therefore, again, right now not pleasant, past and future better. Stuck again. That's why when you think about things, it's not your thoughts, it's society and all these concepts and ideas planted in our head, good or bad, right or wrong. And now we go in and they are arising, and what we do? Relax. Feel the body and relax. As you continue with this practice, yeah, it's all practice, dedication to practice, repetitive practice, and then you start to feel those genuine feelings. Important is between you and you. You don't have to go and share, look in other people, search from other people to create the feeling in you, release your feeling on other people. There's nothing to do with other people. It's all between you and you. Even your own judgment to yourself and your own conflict is between you and you. Your ability to feel, to relax, bring the genuine, amazing feeling within you and allow them to blossom. And then every day of your life will be a gift. Every moment, not just a day, every moment of existence is an amazing gift. But not because somebody said or certain religion preaches to, but because it's true. We just don't get the right way for it. We don't taught this thing. We are taught to right now suffer, future enjoy. No. Right now, practice to enjoy. Right now, it seems like another good business. I promise you, is the best business you can ever do. Thank you very much. Hoping you would practice because it's really worthwhile. Namaste.